Welcome. Thank you for following along with the Pain Reset Without Pills guided video tutorial. This week we will be focusing on breath. So whether you've come into this for chronic pain, burnout, emotional fatigue, or just looking to reconnect to your body, your mind-body connection, you are in the right place. So this is your guided video companion for your breath work week. I will go through step by step and demonstrate, follow along with you and allow you to get an experience of each one of these powerful techniques so that we can start that integration process of bringing it into your tool belt. So each video will be broken down into a short tutorial with 3 minutes of guided breath work to follow along. And you can grab your book, get comfortable, whatever position is okay for you today. I am sitting on the floor, but you can sit in the chair. You can even just remain in bed. If you're not feeling great today, there is no shoulds, there's no have tos, and everything that you do in this guide, please take to your own ability. If you start to notice that you are getting a little bit lightheaded or need to back off, please slow the breath down to a minimum, go back into long, deep breathing, or simply stop the video and make sure that you're doing okay first, because as you know, there is no judgment. This is a judgment-free zone, and we have our slogan of no pain, no pain. So let's go into this, get comfortable, and join me for the breathwork series. Breathwork creates a neurological bridge between the body and mind. You're not just breathing. You're not just doing some hippy dippy woo woo. It is science backed. And so we have to make sure that we are creating that neural pathway, that bridge repeatedly and with the most benefits. That's why each of these will be a 3-minute guide. And as you work your way up, you can go the full 3 minutes. I do recommend for beginners to start with 1, or if you're just not feeling great today, that's okay. Remember that breath work is not only a path towards self-healing, it is a path of self-discovery and your bridge to inner awareness. So being aware of what's going on is a key part of it. Make sure that you're paying attention to how you're feeling and listen to your body at all times as we continue. So you've got this.